Yo, tram number 2 that we're getting onto. Oh, you have to press the button. Buttons. So yeah, basically, ticket man's coming. Martin. So yeah, I'm gonna jump on. I'll say no English. No name was there. Here he comes. Oh, it's a mad thing right now, you know. Obviously, man, got CCTV and all of that, you know. So I'm gonna chill.
Check your tickets.
Oh, no.
So if you've got any tickets, I want you don't have to leave the tram at the next stop.
That's fine. No problem. You have to leave. It's alright.
So he's got tickets. Okay, no tickets, he's going to have to leave at the next stop.
What things? Come on. Bun them, bro. That's how we do things out here, bro. He's not going to be good at me. Yeah, we're getting off. Come on, back my second ride. Martins. Edinburgh, that's how you do things. No tickets. Yeah, where's my man? Oh, yeah, he's still there. He's obviously radio through or radio in. What things are there? Thank you. Man's watching, man, like, what things? He's on his phone as well, trying to call Babylon.
No, there's only one post.
Cheers, brother. Come on. That's how we do things out here, cuz. What? Who's saying, Andrew? Told you how we do things, innit? You know what I mean? And you've never done this in your whole life. You've never bumped a tram. Yeah. He's never done it. He's lived there. He's never done it. I've only been here half an hour. Man's already here. Get me? Oh, doing what I need to do. You know what I mean? Teaching my man in his own area how to get on the tram for free. And obviously he's homeless, but he didn't want to walk this long walk, and it is a long walk, man. It's about a mile that we had to walk, if we were to walk. So obviously, yeah, man, have to do. Where's the Tesco's? Oh yeah, I see it. Come on, going to Tesco's. I said I'll buy him a little beer. Come on.
It's too late to buy beers now, though.
Why? Don't they serve beers at 11 o'clock?
Because it's 40 minutes past 10.
Wow. So I'll buy you a soft drink and a sandwich or something, yeah? Anyway, come on. Hitting up Tesco's, Edinburgh, Scotland. Live in another place, fully loaded. Oh boy. Time to explode. What a madness. Oof, and it's getting cold. What are you saying? Have you ever done shoplifting?
Yeah, I used to do that.
Yeah, you still should we do a bit of shoplifting now? Bring back the old tricks?
I wouldn't do it now, though.
Nah, too old for it, yeah? Nah. I was just testing you, brother. You can't shoplift in Tesco's. Tesco's is too cheap. There's no point shoplifting in there, is it? We ain't gonna get rich, are we? Andrew. Yo. Come on. Nice buildings down there as well. Behind me. Come on. In a bit.